Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to set a test render for interior perspective view in Revit. To do a test render, you need to adjust the render settings. Step 1. Click Render from the View tab, under Presentation. Or click Rendering dialog on the View navigation panel. Step 2. Adjust settings. Confirm setting, Draft for a test render. Change lighting scheme, Interior for an interior scene. Change sun setting, Sun and Artificial. Change background style. Click Adjust exposure if needed. Test render. Step 3. Click Render to see the result. You can stop if it shows alright, you do not need to wait until the completion. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to set a test render. Thank you.